This is big pin 60 watts soldering iron. It can easily be converted to a pin tip soldering iron. So if you really want to know how to convert this big pin tip 60 watt to a pin tip soldering iron, you follow these steps. Don't forget to like the video and also comment on what you see, and don't forget to share this video. Firstly, I will show you what is inside the 60 watts, the connections inside it, so that if you want to convert it, it will be easy for you to convert it. So this is what we have inside. This is the resistor that controls this light, and this is the cable that sends current to the element. So this is what we have inside. In our next video, I will show you how to convert it to the 30 watt pin tip. And I feel this tip is not really comfortable for those who want to do tiny jobs. So the pin tip is what is good for you to do the tiny jobs. In the next video, I will show you how to convert it to the pin tip. Thanks for watching.